What is your reaction to this court?
Well, you know, when a breach has been found and clearly that the proceedings had a problem, you know, when a right has been breached and when you have not been given a right to be heard, that's a very cardinal issue. And therefore, my position is that, you know, it should have been annulled. It should have been annulled, and that's a conclusion automatically, because you have not been accorded an opportunity to be heard, and therefore it can only be annulled. You can only say that, you know, the court did not arrive at the right decision. We should have automatically had Rigathi Gachagua reinstated.
There's 50 million shillings on the table for the client that all of you probably represent. Are you going to take it? Are you going to advise your client to take them?
Well, you know, we have to go to the Court of Appeal and discuss all the pending matters, all the issues. You know, the right to be heard is very important, and therefore the breach is definitely greater than what it is and what has been awarded.
Perhaps Harrison wanted this judgment arrested.
Let's just speak to